We are pleased to show you the 2021 Escalade ESV. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is a longer version of the Escalade. The ESV is a large, luxurious SUV that delivers performance and style. Classy and powerful, it looks great for a night on the town or can haul everything needed for a weekend getaway. This vehicle has less than 600 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual sunroof, premium wheels, power brakes, driver's side remote mirror, dual exhaust, power sunroof, rear window wiper, interval wipers, leather upholstery, heated seats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.